there is a clear case against him, and in addition there is a recent case which I only have found that there is a vigilance report and the Prime Minister's office monitored inquiry going on this. So he has to be, there is a recommendation for suspension by the vigilance department. So इतले असल्यार कित्याक ते ऑफिसराक प्रोटेक्ट करता? ज्या ऑफिसरान थंय लूटमार केल्या, जाका पयलीं सस्पेंड केला तांचे कलेक्टरान फॉर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट फेलियर. सो इतले सगळे असताना वाय गव्हर्मेंट गोईंग आउट ऑफ द वे टू प्रोटेक्ट वन पर्सन? इज इट बिकॉज इज अ कलेक्शन एजंट? हे जर सस्पेन्शन जायना वो ताका ट्रान्सफर जायना एज अ इमिजिएट मेजर, आय विल टेक दीस अप फॉर द विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट. हें हांवें मुखेलमंत्र्याक सांगिल्लें आहा आनी म्हाका मुखेलमंत्र्यान थंय अशें इन्फॉर्मली तरी उलयलें तें दिसलें की ताका सायडीन दवर म्हणून. कित्याक इतलें सरकार कित्याक आउट ऑफ द वे वचून एक मनशाक प्रोटेक्ट करूंक सोदता? क्लियर कळटा दाल में कुछ काला है.
पण कित्याक कोण प्रोटेक्ट करपाक सोदता ताका?
मिनिस्टर प्रोटेक्ट करूंक सोदता न्ही. ताणें म्हणलें ना तें तशें न्ही, तें आनी अशें न्ही. अरे तूं कित्याक इतलो प्रोटेक्ट करता? विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटान इन्क्वायरी केल्या, तांणी रिपोर्ट घाला, तो रिपोर्ट घेवन डायरेक्टर पंचायत कित्याक ओगी आहा? सो आपल्याक जाय ते ऑफिसर बापून सगळें कलेक्शन करता अशें जावचें ना.
आनी तुमी मेनू कार्डाचेर कितें उलयता?
मेन्यू कार्ड आसात थंय, ट्रान्सफर करपाक मेन्यू कार्ड. हांवें सांगलें मरे, डिनाय करचें तांणी मेन्यू कार्ड ना म्हणून. नेक्स्ट टायम स्टीम करून दाखयता मेन्यू कार्डाचेंच.
आनी वास्को बस स्टँडाचेर तुमी
वास्को बस स्टँड म्हणटा ते स्कॅम, ते थंय तो पोचोवंक सोदता की हें म्हणून ते सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट अंडरटेकींग. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट अंडरटेकींग असलें म्हणून सारकें जायना. आमचे गोंयच्या लोकांक कितें बेनिफीट जाता तो कळपाक जाय, आनी ते तो फातोर्डा हाडूंक सोदता आनी आमी आयकून घेतले.
आणि
तो केला एकदां
क्रिकेटरचे
क्रिकेटर तांणी सांगला डिस्कशन जावन.
आन्सर केला मला
किती उलयलो?
गुड नाईट हिंदी लेने गए.
हय
All over India, good toilets are there. Bus stands are nice, smart. आमकां स्मार्ट नाका पण बेसीक गोंयच्या लोकांक आमचे स्टुडंट्स वयता, आमचे यंगस्टर्स वयता, आमी सगळे वयता. आमी रावल्ले आनी बरो रिजल्ट आमकां दितलो म्हणून. पूण तुमी विचारा मिनिस्टर केन्ना करूं
टॅक्सी ॲपाची कितें जालें सर?
टॅक्सीचे
तसं सगळ्यांनी हे मांडलं, वेरियस पॉईंट्स मांडले. सो वॉट यू हॅव टू से ऑन दॅट?
व्यवस्थितपणे हावजान रिप्लाय दिला मला. रिप्लाय दिवपाची.
नो बिकॉज इवन पंचायतीचे विषय हाडले, मे बी अ सेक्रेटरी इशू, टॅक्सी ॲप इशू, दुसरे ट्रान्सपोर्टाचे.
I have told it was only a draft notification, and now Honorable CM will call a meeting, call all stakeholders, including from the association, call a few of them who can contribute, and arrive at a common solution. It cannot fester forever. No, it has to be solved. So therefore, no, I don't think. It is not a question of app. We are going on a digital platform.
Okay.
And by the digital platform, it will be slightly different in a sense that it will have a digital footprint where data which is required for the government, we will come to know. And every transaction that will play, government has to get some revenue, which government will get revenue.
डिजिटल म्हणल्यार ॲपूच न्हू सर फायनल? डिजिटल म्हणल्यार ॲप न्हू?
See, I am that
अबाउट पंचायत ग्रामसभाचो देखून विशय हाडलो. ग्रामसभाक एक फावट जे मनीस आपणाचे विशय काडटात ते जायना, आनी वॉट यू सी ऑन दॅट?
no. See, now, as you know, we have moved an amendment. Every week, meeting will take place. Panchayat meeting will take place. First, it was once in a fortnight. Now it is going to be every week.
मग ग्राम सभा तसं लागेल.
Accordingly, we'll change the number of Gram Sabhas also.
ओके, सो तो आनी बेगीन घेवचो म्हणून.
Yeah, of course.
सो आफ्टर 3 months आता एटलीस्ट 3 महिन्यांनी 2 3 जातल्यो.
Yes.
ओके
सर तो सांकवाल एक सेक्रेटरीचे कितें इशू जालो
विजयान काडला तो कितें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक सोदता
How do I want me to answer? I said a proper inquiry will be there and then we'll see what action is taken.
ना ना म्हाका तो इशू कितें आहा ना
आयज जे ट्रान्सपोर्टाचे डिमांड्स आशिल्ले
आनी पंचायत बोर्ड
पंचायतीचे सो तुमी कितें मांडले तेंच्या फुडें
See, first thing as far as bus stops, infrastructure for bus stops, and proper signages because it's very important. People look to know they're coming and not coming. Now you have a certain route in your timetable for buses, and the biggest inconvenience for any citizen or even for tourists, according to his destination. They want to know when the bus is coming. It can't be that my neighbor told my where I'm staying that after some. There has to be a proper system because we are talking of using less private vehicles. Secondly, I have spoken in the panchayats. We have got these waste management collectors, and that's going to be the biggest racket. Trust me, what I'm saying. Where I have already spoken about the chosen some Chaudhary and all those stuff. And these people will be pushed on the panchayats. Panchayats will have to pay them huge prices, and that may have total loss. Another important matter which I spoke in the morning was about the NEP. And the NEP thing was very important because children are being made to have long educational hours, which is to the detriment of the child, to the detriment of the mental health and physical health, and therefore everybody is cautioning about it. Children are already getting exhausted. Schools are not knowing what's going on, and therefore I think that the timing of that NEP is very important. Next is infrastructure which is not available in the schools. To implement NEP, you must have the infrastructure. If you don't have the infrastructure, I don't know how this will be. Vijay rightly asked a question about what is the rate of success, because you're already in second year now of NEP. They can't answer the question. Yes, it can't be told because it's not yet time to.
So what do you like to say about the taxi apps?
Taxi actually I didn't think about it today because Minister has already postponed that for the 6th. So bringing out issues about the taxi app in advance would be futile. Because the Minister would have not understood or may have not taken note of the things which must be spoken. At the proper time then I want to speak. I want to speak about the app is functioning, its utility for our people, its workability, and let me see on all the topics which I've already lined up for the issue on the app. Which is, don't forget, we are at the moment thinking of taxi app. I'm also talking of motorcycle taxi app because that is now coming by the 2025 guidelines. We'll talk on both. That's why in that calling intention motion, but after I had specifically included not just taxi app, which is our car taxi, but also for motorcycle taxi, which we will discuss both.
Okay. Yes.
सॅटिस्फाय आसा की
पळय आयज आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे पॉयंट जाले ते डिस्कशनाक भितर चलताले मागीर आमी आयज येयल्ले म्हणल्यार आमी तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की आमी 45+ डेज आमी सगळे कडेन भोंवताले म्हणल्यार आमी तुमकां शॉर्ट सांगूंक सोदता की आमी शेतान काम करून गेल्ले आतां पयलींचे 45 डेजांचे पयलींचे 5 दीस आमी शेत बरें खणलें शेत खणून जालें न्हू ते उपरांत आमी कितें केलें रोव मारलो शेताक रोव मारलो रोव मारतात पावस पडून मरे तो रोव पळय येयल्लो न्हू तो आमी आनी मयणी जाले काय आमकां आख्खे टॅक्सीकार आगोय तितल्यांकूय ते तांदूळ बरे भशेन खावंक मेळटा अशें आज पोजिशन आमी थंय डिस्कशन जालां तितून म्हणजे आमी सॅटिस्फायड आसा आज डिस्कशन कितें जालां तितून आनी इवन आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान म्हटलं की सगळ्यांक घेवन बसलो तेतून आमी सॅटिस्फायड ओके
ऑपोजिशनान तुमचो विशय मांडलो
बरें मांडलां बरे इशू उलयले आहे यक्षगरांच्या वाटेन रुलिंगान जे आसले पळय तेंच्यांनी सुद्दां आमच्या वाटेन तुमकां खूब बरें दिसलें
थँक्यू